Today, we're diving into two contrasting realities shaping the Greek property market, particularly in Athens. On one hand, there has been a significant rise in interior renovations among property owners. Over the last 5 years, nearly 44% of homes have been renovated. This renovation wave highlights a growing awareness among homeowners and investors about the importance of maintaining and upgrading living spaces. From full renovations, including structural elements and insulation, to upgraded electrical and plumbing systems and energy efficiency improvements, there is also government support for these efforts. Incentives are in place to encourage renovations, with the understanding that an upgraded property increases in value. However, market experts note an important distinction. While renovations may not drastically raise a property's sale price, they do significantly improve its rental appeal. Simply put, renovated properties rent faster. This has made renovations a strategic move for investors focused on maximizing rental income. Now, let's turn to the exterior of buildings. A common observation from international buyers is the visible wear and tear on many building facades, even in central and high demand neighborhoods. And this isn't a rare occurrence. In fact, it's a widely noted aspect of the urban landscape. Why does this happen? The answer lies in a difference of priorities. Property owners in Greece tend to focus their investment on the interior of their units rather than shared exterior areas. The general view is that value lies inside of the apartment, where people live or generate rental income, rather than in the shared appearance of the building. As a result, you may see buildings with aging facades or overgrown ivy, some even in prominent locations, yet discover that the apartments inside are beautifully renovated, modern, and energy efficient. This contrast isn't due to neglect in the traditional sense. Instead, it reflects a long-standing cultural and financial approach to property. In many buildings, decisions about exterior upkeep require coordination among multiple owners, which can be difficult and slow. Meanwhile, individuals move ahead with interior upgrades they can control. It's also worth noting that this trend is not exclusive to older or low-income areas. Even in central locations like Vasilissis Sophia Street or near major embassies, the same pattern holds. Private interiors receive strong investment, while building exteriors may lag behind. Understanding this contrast is key for any buyer or investor entering the Greek market. To summarize, interior renovations are widespread and supported both by the government and the rental market. Building facades may not reflect the true value or condition of what's inside, and for investors, the rental speed and appeal of a renovated interior often outweigh the concerns about exterior presentation. So when evaluating property in Greece, remember, what's on the inside tells the real story.